Challenges facing Boeing. Boeing is one of aerospace's most iconic names, building aircraft, spacecraft, and technology that connect and protect the world. But even a giant must navigate stormy skies. One major challenge is rebuilding trust after high-profile setbacks like the 737 MAX crisis, which shook public confidence and strained relationships with regulators. In the space sector, delays and cost overruns, particularly with the Starliner Crew capsule, have raised questions about competitiveness against faster-moving rivals like SpaceX. Supply chain disruptions and shortages of skilled labor have also slowed production, while inflation and rising material costs squeeze profit margins. Finally, global competition in both commercial aviation and spaceflight means Boeing must innovate faster while keeping safety, quality, and reliability at the forefront. Boeing's history proves it can soar above challenges, but in today's race for the skies and beyond, the climb is steeper than ever. Thanks for watching.